guys, Pitbikesonic here, and in today's video, if you're not into pit bikes, turn off immediately because this has nothing to do with pit bikes. But we are in a race, but today we're doing a bit of running. We're at the 5 mile Yarmouth Sprint Race. This is 3 races, this is race number 1. Last time I did this, I did no training whatsoever. I've done a little bit this time. We did it in 40 minutes 11 seconds last time, so today we're going to aim to get under that 40-minute mark. Let's head off to the start and finish and let's get going. Let's see if we can get number 76 in my start number again. I have done once before. Let's see if we can do it again. So we ain't got 76, we've got a pretty cool number. We've got number 99. Wow. I'm happy with that. Pardon? I am Charlie. Yeah, it hadn't gone across to him when they scanned the code. I was like, yeah, that's me.
Well, then I've got any excuse now. Silly mum, you don't know the two between both of you.
Now it's one of your jobs to stick this on me because I can't do it.
Soon, so.
It's colder than it feels when you're in shorts.
Is it cold?
Yeah.
Are you a little bit nippy?
Oh, you must be a fan. Do you see he's wearing a Sonic suit? He must be a fan.
Yeah, looking good.
And now where's my GoPro? I'll put that on now. I don't want gloves. Don't wear. I was thinking of wearing a vest. That was probably going too much extreme. I don't even know if you're allowed this, but I'm sure they'll soon tell me off. But I'll see why not. It's not broken it or anything, has it? Yeah. Well done. Woo! I know, it's horrible going this way, isn't it? It was lovely the other way. I might drop into the 8 minutes this time. Come on, Jamie. Come on! We're at a good high 7-minute pace. Come on. Right, we're nearly out of that wind. Come on! Ah. Yes, I'm 40! Woo! Stay there now. Oh wow. It's the mic on. It's the mic on.
Yeah.
It looks pretty plain because obviously the other two have got to go in front of it. Yeah, good. I paced myself really well. Every mile was under 8 minutes, which I was really happy with. Didn't really drop off the pace. Maybe started a bit too slow for a change instead of a bit too fast, but I wanted sub 40 and we got just over 38 minutes. Stupid me, I forgot to start my watch, so this was about 20 seconds late, but that made me go quicker. But yeah, mega happy with that. Sorry guys, it weren't the normal pit biking vlog. If you did enjoy this video, I will vlog more of my running races, but until then, subscribe, hit that button there. To watch more videos, hit that button there. See you later guys, see you for the Isle of Man vlog, bye!